Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to incorporate a scarf into a messy bun. First, you start off with just your everyday ponytail. Next, you need a scarf or a bandana. This is just a square shape, and I'm going to drop the end so that I have a triangle. Now, you want to hold onto your end and get your hair out of the way. You feed the scarf through the hair tie until you reach about the halfway point. An easy way to check too is just look in the mirror. Went a bit too overzealous. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be basically balanced. Now I'm going to just do a really easy bun. I twist it and I lock it in with about 4 pins. This look is fantastic for the summer, and if you only have 2 minutes to do your hair, it is completely adorable. After my bun is complete, I just took my 2 ties and tied it up. Now, mine is a little bit on the long side, so I'm gonna tuck my ties under, and then I pinch and pull to just get more height for my bun. And I check out that balance. And of course, when I pinch and pull, I do lose some strands. So I just take another pin. Where it feels loose, I just stick some support in there. Great. As you can see, it just folds in really easily. And just to finish this off, I like to just add some detail. So I use my fingers just to pinch and pull and make my ponytail just a touch softer by gently pinching it over. As for the nape, I like to hold onto the scarf and gently pinch with my fingertips. This just gives it a messier look. Not so structured. Great, so I am quite happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a try. I'm sure you're gonna do absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.